So if you are like me and you have been struggling to see the professional mode on Facebook, then this video is going to be slightly helpful to you. So this is not a video where I show you how to fix the issue of not seeing professional mode in your Facebook account, because just like you have struggled with this and I've not found any solution yet. So what I want to try in this video is like the last resort, and if they do not give me the professional mode, then I'm just going to give up completely on Facebook. Just in case you do not know, some persons on Facebook are struggling to have the option to turn on the professional mode, and the professional mode basically allows your Facebook to reach other people and sort of basically turns your Facebook to a page. And this is going to be helpful to you, or for you, if you wanted to start monetizing your Facebook, or if you want to use Facebook to market your business. So Facebook is going to like turn it to a page where it's the reach can go to even wider people. Now the issue is that ordinarily some persons can just come to their Facebook settings here, and then they can find the option to toggle this feature on or off. But in my case, I do not have that, and this has been the case for since this feature came. And I've tried this across multiple devices. I've tried to switch device to know if my phone was the issue, but it wasn't even about the phone. And then I tried to watch videos on YouTube on how to fix this, and trust me, I watched more than 20 videos. I did not get a solution to this. They actually asked me, they actually said I should do some settings. I did a whole lot of things. I sent some Facebook message, they did not reply. I sent them an email, they did not reply. I reported a problem, still no reply. I went to my profile and I did a lot of tweaking and setting, still again no reply. I switched from an Android phone to an iPhone, again no solution. So now what I want to try in this video is basically the last option, which is to become verified on Facebook. So technically Facebook is asking us to pay them money to give us this feature. So I want to see if this is going to give me the option to turn this page to a professional mode, or to turn on the professional mode. So if this works, that means if you have the same issue on Facebook, then you now have a fix. In that case, you should come back and say big thank you to me. So without wasting much time, this is where we are. So this is my Facebook dashboard, and ordinarily once you come to your Facebook settings here, you should be able to see the option here. All right, there is no option here. Again, like I said, I've tried to do everything. I've checked my profile status. I don't have any issues with Facebook. As you can see, it says my account looks good. It doesn't have any issues. So for some strange reasons, they are not giving me this option, but it appears that it's not a me thing. It affects a lot of persons. So let's see if this is going to work. So what I want to do now is to actually apply or try to subscribe for the Facebook verified, or the Meta verified. Now the good thing with this is that they actually are going to give me a trial, which means if this does not work, I don't get to spend any money, because I genuinely do not think that I need this Facebook Meta verified, but I'm doing it solely to see if it's going to help me turn on the professional mode. So all you have to do is just go and click on Meta verified, and this is what it promises me. It says your audience can trust you are a real person by sharing your real stories. Of course, that's not very important to me. Increase your account protection, worry less about impersonation, enhance support. This is the main reason why I want to do this. Enhance support, because what it means is that Facebook will not give us support unless we pay them, which is a sad thing, to be quite frank. So as you can see, it says that we can contact a help agent via email or chat. I tried to do all of this. I did not get any reply. So They want us to pay for them to pay attention to us. This is the world we live in. And right now it says that this chat is even available in English, French, German, Portuguese, and Spanish. All right. So it says we can equally get an upgraded profile feature like a header image or link to your, again, that's not really important to me. Say we get unique stickers and all of that. So let's see if they do not turn this to a profile account, and if I can get the option to chat with the enhanced support, that means it would have been good value for my money. So let me click on next and see if that's going to work out well. So as you can see here, I have the option to equally turn this on for my Instagram account. I'm going to see if I should do this for my Instagram. Okay, let's see if I can sign up to both accounts. So it says save money and get verified on both profile accounts. So profile subscription requires the same name for both parties, the same picture for both parties, a profile name that matches the name on your ID. So I'll be needing an ID card to do this. So let's proceed. So I click on next, and this is the Facebook and the Instagram. So it says we will be billed 6,000 naira per month, and then we will save 1,000 per month. All right. So again, this is what we are going to get. In fact, I'm going to just stick to doing only Facebook for now. So let me just go back and do just for this profile. Again, this is because my Instagram, this is actually, I don't want to use the Instagram for this. So let me sign up for this profile and see. So it says I'll be billed 3,000 naira per month. And after the payment, you need to go to the Facebook mobile app to confirm your identity. This can take up to 48 hours. If we are unable to verify it, we will confirm or we do a refund for you. All right. So let's click and go to pay to get benefits. So I'm going to click on this. Get to pay benefits, and hopefully this works. So this is where I get to put my card number, and I have to block this part of the video. So let me just put my card number first. So I've just added my card number. It's a Visa card from Standard Chartered Bank. So I'm just going to click on continue to see if this card is actually going to work. I've never done this before. So it says my card was declined, and I have to try another bank card. So I have to switch this card and try it, and I'm going to keep you updated, or I'm going to make another video because I have to go and get my dollar card. I don't know where it is now, so I don't want to keep you waiting, but expect a part 2 of this video because I'm going to proceed with this payment, and I'm going to get this payment done and see if Facebook is going to give me priority support, or if they are going to actually turn on the professional mode for me.